We have taught the case study method in Malaysia for about 5 years, and we're delighted to come to UMK. We've been friends with Professor Hassan for many years, and he spoke highly of the campus, and we feel strongly that the case method is an important teaching method for students going forward. So the case study method is a method of teaching through stories. Life is complex. We're from the business field. Business is complex. Any discipline professors are teaching, it's a complex world. And so to teach students in that complex world, we find is most valuable to them. It teaches critical thinking. It forces them to evaluate what's important in a decision, what's not important in a decision, and it gives them the confidence to speak and share and make decisions. So this method brings all students to the table to comment on the situation and make a decision.
First, we want to thank administration of UMK and its students for bringing us here. We are very happy to be here, and we are very happy to be able to conduct this 2-day workshop on the case method of learning, which one can call the discussion method of learning. The case method is really nothing more than this learning through discussion. So the students really become participants with the teacher, who really becomes more like a guide. This is a very effective way, at least in our opinion, of learning, and it is widely used in the US and now I think in many other countries of the world for teaching, especially teaching business subjects. So we do that in the US, and we have done this in several seminars in Malaysia over the last several years, and this is our first visit over here. We have thoroughly enjoyed working with the faculty and the staff at UMK, and we look forward to continuing our relationship with them.